Welcome to our mornings at the Renaissance Fair. People getting dressed. This is our tent area. We have a small tent community.
Complex. It's a complex.
I stole a pool tarp for the tarp that is under all of our tents. There's Keith.
Fuck you.
He's gay.
You're gay.
Here are all of our neighbors. The Rennies, they just spring up out of nowhere. It's like a traveling circus. There's just some shit on the ground there.
Why the fuck are you filming the crowd?
Because I want to see how people, you know, how we live.
We live like kings.
We do live like kings for people who live in tents. Look at this place.
We got a small serfdom of tents.
There's not much else to film, so I'm going to stop filming.